Hello everyone, as a part of routing algorithms, now I'm going to explain you about the network layer functions. There are two functions anamata. First routing పేర్లోనే ఉంది. రౌట్ అంటే ఏంటి? మూవ్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్యాకెట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ సోర్స్ టు డెస్టినేషన్. ఫార్వర్డింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇన్పుట్ నుంచి అవుట్పుట్కి ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయాలి. సో ద మూవ్ ప్యాకెట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ routers input appropriate to routers output అనమాట. ఇక్కడ total 6 functions are there. Properties, first one is robustness, simplicity, fairness, optimal. Both sound same but they have different meaning connected to each other. Stability, correctness. Robustness అంటే the topology, you use multiple topologies even though the technology is different, they have to sound same and the functionality also should be same అనమాట. So simplicity, fairness, optimal. Stable, even though the traffic is more, efficiency should be maintained. Correctness, fairness and optimal ante they sound same but they're connected to each other. The traffic between A and A bar, B and B bar, C and C bar. As you know, the traffic is more between all of these them. At least you need to show up this horizontal flow of the packets. That's why the maximum flow between X and X bar should be stopped for a while. So compromise, you cannot stop this because it's impractical. So we have to compromise the efficiency and fairness to individual connections is needed anamata. So now we are going to discuss about the different categories of the algorithms. So first one is non-adaptive. This is inefficient, this is efficient, because you cannot change this according to the traffic and topology, because this is already predefined. As you know, this is static routing. This you can change in order to reflect decisions. In whatever decisions you take, this will be reflected in the current topology and traffic as well. This is dynamic. Here do not base their routing decisions based upon the measurements or estimate the current traffic and topology. Instead, the decisions of the routers is to get offline and download it to the routers. It's already downloaded to the routers. The only work it sends, it's fixed. This you can change it. This process is called as routing algorithm. Thank you.